Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best dishwasher detergents you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many dishwasher detergents and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each dishwasher detergents so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a dishwasher detergent. First, think about the type of detergent you prefer: powder, gel, or pods. Each works differently and suits different dishwashers. Next, check if the detergent is compatible with your machine and water type, because hard water may need a formula that prevents spots and residue. Also, look for cleaning performance, ensuring it removes grease, stains, and dried food effectively. Consider eco-friendly options that are phosphate-free and biodegradable if you want to reduce environmental impact. Fragrance is another factor, as some people prefer unscented products while others like a fresh scent. Lastly, compare prices and quantity to find the best value for regular use. Choosing the right detergent can make your dishes shine and your dishwasher last longer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.